Sure, Madla, English.
Okay, sir.
The Bangalore, Greater Bangalore Authority has come into existence from May 15th. Within next 4 months, a committee has to be formed, authority has to be formed, and the first meeting has to be taken place. I have taken the suggestions of all the legislators of Bangalore City who are a part of the GBA. Some have suggested it will be 2, 3, 4, 5 and all. So ultimately I will discuss with the leader of the opposition and some of my colleagues and will take a decision as early as possible. Number 2. On the rain issue, all the legislators are happy with the type of work which we have taken. We have authorized all the legislators and the officials to be in touch and wherever the pinpoints are there to settle it. Almost more than 210 points were there. Now it has reduced to 40 and 26 are already on the job. I think wherever it has been affected, we are going to give them 10,000 rupees compensation for all of them. From all the few deaths, I think we have given them compensation of 5 lakhs rupees, 3-4 deaths which has happened. And at the same time, we have decided with the low-lying area, we are coming out with a plan of action to amend the bylaws that will not allow shield parking.
No, basement parking.
Basement parking. We will not allow basement parking. And we will allow shield. Still, we will not allow basement parking in the low-lying areas. So we are coming out with a law because we see that in these areas the water is logging and it is affecting and some lives have been affected. So we are taking. And as far as the footpaths are concerned, we have made a survey. Almost 27,665 vendors have been identified and they have registered as official footpath vendors. So we have already instructed all MLAs and communicated to them that we have to take a policy to see that they never do their business activities in the footpath, and we will provide them in 4 vehicles. 4 types of vehicles has been designed and we have called for a tender. Among that, 3,755 footpath vendors have requested for vehicles, push carts. They can come and do the business. We are going to identify some areas which they have to do business, and they have to do their business and take their carts back to their homes. That is the important one of the major decisions we have taken. And as far as digitalization of khatas, there are more than 25 lakh houses in Bangalore. 5 lakh khatas have already been done. We are going to come out with a major plan and a major program on that. So Government of India also has been awarded for us. This is one of the best program we have been conducted. We are scanning all the documents and we are trying to make all their documentation very clean, clear, transparent, so that anyone can look at their documents on that issue. And number 2, I have instructed all my forest department and the BBB separate team, wherever the trees are there which have been hanging and dangerous dead branches, entire city. National E-Governance Award ಕೂಡ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ನಾವೇನೀಗಾಗಲೇ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ಫುಲ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರನ್ನ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಕೈ ಡೆಕ್ಕು ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟು ಹೆಂಗೆಪುರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಲ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಲೀಡರ್ಸು ನಮ್ಮ MLAs ಆ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ 20 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, 20 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೂರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗೆಪುರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬಂತು, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ದು ಅದು ನೈಸ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ PDA ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಂಪೇಗೌಡ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೋಡ್ ಇದೆ.